Welcome, friends, to another quick episode with Healthy Starts in the Kitchen. This week, I will be posting 4 easy and quick recipes that can be converted into multiple dishes. So, cook more and create a new dish every day. Spend less time in the kitchen, yet eat healthy foods at home. These are brown rice, quinoa, fried rice, and my secret masala called the green masala, which can be used in many recipes. So, the first recipe is brown rice. Stay tuned till the end to hear why add brown rice to your diet and how you can add it to your lifestyle. About 5 years ago, I found brown rice in my journey to lose weight and have more energy and live a healthy lifestyle. Before, I ate white rice every day, but I was hungry all the time with low energy. When I found out the health benefits of brown rice, I slowly introduced brown rice starting with 1 day per week, and then 2 days, and five, and then the whole week. I noticed changes. I was feeling much fuller and did not feel hungry all the time. So I ate less calories and I started losing weight. And most important, I had more energy and I maintained my weight. In a bit, I will talk about the health benefits of brown rice and why I lost the weight and had more energy. Also, check out for 4 tips throughout the video. Let's Let us start cooking the brown rice first. Rinse 1 cup of brown rice, add 2 cups of water, salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. The cumin seeds I use because it helps with bloating, digestion and gas problems. Stir and heat the pan on high flame. Cover the pot and let the water boil for about 5 minutes. As the water boils, turn the flame to low heat, cover the pot, and let it cook for about 25-30 minutes until the rice is cooked. Check the grain after about 25 minutes and determine if additional water is needed or if there is excess water. If more water is needed, just add a little and let it simmer for another 5 minutes until done. Tip number 1: when changing from white rice to brown rice for the first time, make it with chicken or vegetable broth instead of water. It gives extra flavor to the rice. You can add spices or vegetables of your choice as well. Just add them to the water or the broth. And now let me talk about the reasons why I felt fuller, lost weight, and had more energy. It is because brown rice is a whole grain, meaning it has the germ, the bran, and the endosperm, unlike white rice, which is stripped of all its nutrients and fiber. Brown rice is loaded with vitamins and minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, manganese, potassium, variety of vitamin Bs, and is high in fiber. According to research, the fiber in brown rice helps lower cholesterol, moves waste through the digestive tract, promotes fullness, so helps with weight loss. It also balances blood sugar and is naturally gluten free. Tip number 2: I have tried several kinds of brown rice. I found the basmati brown rice works the best and cooks in about 25 to 30 minutes. Check the rice, it is ready. Turn off the stove and leave the lid slightly open for its moisture to dry out. When cooked, I love its aroma and I crave it all the time. Here are some different ways you can add the brown rice to your diet. Stir fry some veggies and add cooked brown rice recipe coming this week. Add 1 cup brown rice to cooked beans and salsa and enjoy a Mexican dish. Or make brown rice pudding, my favorite, also called Kheer. Recipe link in the description. And now for my final tip. There are a variety of whole grains, so keep changing the whole grains in your diet so you get a variety of nutrients. Try millet, bulgur, quinoa, or barley. Do not forget, check in tomorrow for an amazingly easy recipe on another whole grain called quinoa and why it is a superfood and why you should add it to your diet. Check out my website at honeylemonginger.com/recipes. Until next time, have a wonderful day.